So we are also number 3 direct dealer
Nice.
office in the world for 2024. So ano yun, from January to December. Yun. So kasabay nun, I was deeply honored also to receive the Ramon Magsaysay Award for the ASEAN region. So it's a
Wow.
recognition siya na kinikilala yung mga ASEAN, mga dealer, yung mga owner ng Salad Master offices na makamit nila yung pangarap nila bilang isang former OFW, tapos naging entrepreneur. Opo. So kami naman is na-recognize nila during that awarding yung we move all the way from the Middle East, then we move to a foreign ano na dito sa Singapore na wala kaming alam about the background ng business and all, but we take the risk to open the Salad Master office. So ito yung mga highlights natin last year when we are doing
Yeah.
Salad Master. That's
Ito
our
yung
cooking.
sample.
Yeah. So together with our consultants, ang ginagawa namin, hindi lang kami nag-stick sa office. We move around Singapore, yung mga tawag dito mga
Okay.
HDB or mga condo na may mga pwede kaming magluto. So we are
Mhm.
moving Salad Master closer to the community. Opo. So we are doing Salad Master cooking show. We are teaching communities. Ayan. This is my team. Ayan. Ito po yung
Wow.
opo.
Mhm.
From the consultants to our office team. Yan po sila. They are all Filipino permanent residents and Singaporeans na dito.